Hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Cappies. Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 27th of January till the 2nd of Feb. The roles can be reversed also. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. Please keep that in mind. It's a journal reading, okay? Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course. Link is in description box. For personal readings and healing sessions, you can check out the description box and find the links. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, open upon a masterclass. Link of the masterclass given below. Let's start. Okay, this one. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, Cappies. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. We have the Queen of Pentacles. So someone is feeling like things are going very practical. Things are not that much emotional between you guys right now at this present moment. And or you are very much focused on money, job, career, and they might feel left out right now here. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles here. We have the Fool card, the Six of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords. So someone is feeling like there is lack of balance in the situation and they feel like having a breakthrough in the connection between you and them, where they can come out of this being so much practical about the situation, so much grounded and logical about the situation. Where are the emotion? Where is the love? So someone here is feeling like they should have a breakthrough in this connection and they can find love in the situation rather than being all imbalanced on and off, in and out of the situation. Okay. So basically they feel like having a breakthrough where you guys can have a brand new beginning with a lot of love. With lot of love. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, honey? We have the Seven of Swords. You are feeling this person is doing something behind your back. Either you are doing something behind their back or trying to hide something from them, and or they are doing it, or at least you are feeling like that. Seven of Swords is a sneaking away energy, not doing something good here. Let me clarify the Seven of Swords. We have the Seven of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles. You feel like either this person is keeping their options open and or they are like keeping you as an option in their life, and things are not as stable as you think things are or as you thought they were. So you feel like there is something going on behind the scenes that you're not able to catch with, but there is something about the situation that is putting you in this energy of off vibes somehow. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Eight of Wands. See, their intention is to talk it out with you, have back and forth communication with you. You can say clear the air with you, and have this heart to heart communication with you, where you guys can clear the air between you and them. Let's clarify the Eight of Wands. We have the Sun card, the Two of Swords, and the King of Cups. This person definitely wants to clear the air with you in some way so that things can be resolved between you guys as soon as possible, because the more you guys are delaying it, the more it's going out of hands. So this person definitely wants to clear the air with you in order to protect this connection and start this connection all over again with love. Something is completely off the track here in the situation. It might not be a very big deal, but the delays and the confusion is making it a big deal. Okay, so this person wants to sort it out with you, clear the air with you properly and honestly with all of their heart and soul. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? You have the Two of Wands. So from your side, you just want to wait and watch. You just want to wait and watch. You want to put this situation on hold for the time being, and you want to see where things can go in the coming future. So one of you is ready to clear the air with the other person here. Other person is not ready to listen. That's the deal. Let's clarify the Two of Wands. We have the Page of Cups, the King of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, it's like you want the honest truth. You want to have this conversation, but before that, you want to focus on yourself right now. It's like your money, your job, your career, everything about you. It's like you are in this energy of, okay, we will talk about this later on. Right now, I should be focused on myself, my own goals, my own energies, my own money, job, career kind of a deal. Right now is not the right time to deal with this situation, according to you. So your intention is to work on yourself, your individual goals, your individual success, and your independence. And then maybe afterwards, if you get time to resolve it, then you want to see what you can do about it. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 2nd of Feb, honey. Cappies. We have the Five of Pentacles. So it's like you feeling left out in the cold, or feeling somehow some kind of loss in the situation. Okay. Okay, let's clarify the Five of Pentacles here as a potential outcome. We have the Five of Cups and the Four of Pentacles and the Six of Cups. You're still holding on to something or someone from your past that's very, very close to your heart and soul, but you're very disappointed because this situation is not going the way you want it to go, and you are not even able to resolve the issues. Right now, you're too hurt to even confront this person or to even like listen to this person. So you're holding on to this connection for dear life for sure, but you are too hurt to do anything about it. That's why you are just remaining in the hurt and pain for the time being, and you are like, okay, I'll see what I can do about it in the coming future. Right now, I just want to be alone, something like that. So there's love, there's a soul connection, but there is pain also. Hmm. The guidance for you, the Hermit. Think long and hard enough before making any kind of life changing decisions in this direction, Capricorn, because definitely this is a soul connection. And once you are going to realize that this soul connection is more important than your ego, or than this energy of working on your individual self only, then you are going to think about it in a different way. So if you know this person and you are very important for each other, try to resolve it. You know, don't suffer in silence. Try to resolve it and get over this. Move to the next chapter, but take your time. Yeah, at the same time, take your time. No hurry, no rush. It's you, it's your energy. You know better than any astrologer or tarot reader or anyone. Take your time, do whatever you feel is right for you, but don't suffer in silence. If you can do something about it and resolve it, okay, it's a choice. So yeah, if possible. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste, honey.